Okay, so you know that sinking feeling when you realize your website's SEO needs work, but the thought of doing a manual audit feels about as appealing as like stepping on a Lego.
Ouch. I feel that it's one of those essential but tedious tasks.
Right?
They can easily eat up hours of your time.
Exactly. But what if I told you there are tools out there that could automate a big chunk of that work for you?
Okay.
Freeing up your time and brain power to focus on that creative stuff.
Yeah.
And not just any tools, but ones that could potentially revolutionize your entire SEO game.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
Tell me more.
Yeah, tell me more.
So today's deep dive is all about two powerful allies in the fight for online visibility, Screaming Frog and Hobo SF.
Okay.
Ever heard of them?
Screaming Frog rings a bell.
Okay.
Isn't that a website crawler?
You're spot on with Streaming Frog.
Okay, cool.
It's like that friend who loves to explore every nook and cranny, except instead of dusty attics, it's meticulously mapping out every corner of your website.
Okay. I'm picturing it now, diligently following every link, analyzing every image, creating a complete picture of your website's structure.
Yes.
But where does Hobo SF come in?
So think of Screaming Frog as the detective gathering all the evidence.
Yep.
And Hobo SF is the brilliant analyst back at HQ, taking all that raw data and transforming it into actionable insights.
All right, I'm intrigued.
Yeah.
So it's not just about identifying problems. It's about providing solutions.
You got it. We're talking detailed reports.
Okay.
Prioritized to-do lists. Even automated alerts, all designed to help you improve your website's SEO and user experience.
Okay, so it's like having a whole team of SEO experts working behind the scenes.
Yes.
But without the hefty price tag.
Precisely. And the best part is, this dynamic duo is surprisingly accessible, even if you're not a tech whiz.